Guys, from the first day I made this, I've been cooking it over and over again because it's so nice. I think I cook it up to 3 times a week. Yes, it's so nice. This recipe is so yummy. I bet you will try it. This is carrot and onion sauce. To start off with, I have a little fresh tomatoes which I'm going to put in the oil, heated oil. The juice from the fresh tomatoes is all the water I need for this sauce. I add some fresh pepper. Yes, I want it to be very spicy. That's why I'm adding this much pepper. Add some seasoning cube and salt and allow it to simmer for about 2 minutes before I go ahead with the shallots. This is a shallot I just added. After adding the shallot, I also go ahead with the onions. Allow it again to cook for about 1 minute. Stir it completely so that I'm cooking it on a low medium heat. I keep stirring it so that the heat can circulate, go around and heat up everything. Yeah, so after then I go ahead with the carrots. Remember to stir so everything can go around, the heat can go around because you're cooking on a medium to low heat. This is a vegetable. So after I added the carrots, I just add it to cook for again for another 1 minute. Then I'll go ahead with the spring onions. Cook it again for a few seconds and then add the green bell pepper and at this point I've completely lowered my heat, so this is a final outcome. Yes, it is still very fresh. I don't want it to be so soft. I set it aside. Yeah, so if you've watched to this point, kindly give this video a like. Hit the like button. Follow my page if you're not yet following. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to drop a lovely comment. Tell me where you're watching from so that you support your girl. Alright, so I get some scrambled eggs, scramble fry and set it aside. And now go ahead to get some fries. Yeah, yes, you can actually enjoy this sauce with rice or any side of your choice, but personally I'm eating it with fried yam. Every other person wants boiled yam, but I don't have any business with boiled yam, so I just fry my yam, so fully fried. Yes, so fully fried yam, and going to enjoy my sauce. Thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned because I have many amazing and yummy recipes coming your way. Are you ready for me this 2024? Just stay tuned, okay? Thank you for watching. Yeah guys, so don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, then follow my page if you're not yet following. I have the same handle, Chisom Precious, both on YouTube, on Facebook, and on Instagram, and even TikTok. Yes, your baby has entered TikTok. Oh, please rush now and follow my page, and please share this video. Please share. Thank you guys. Bye.